Hi, we from Group 2. For subject Introduction to the Renewable Energy, we would like to present the Noor Abu Dhabi Solar PV plants. This is overview for our video. Let's we go one by one for each topic. For introduction for this topic, Noor Abu Dhabi Solar Photovoltaic Plant is the one of the world's largest single-site solar power project located in Suihan, UAE. The plant was commissioned in 2019 with a capacity of 1.2 gigawatts. It supports the UAE Energy Strategy 2050 by providing clean electricity to approximately 90,000 homes. This project showcased the potential of larger-scale solar power in achieving sustainability goals. Next, we go to technology overview. Noor Abu Dhabi utilized photovoltaic technology where over 3.2 million solar panels convert sunlight directly into electricity. Second, the plant covers 8 square kilometers in Suihan and is designed to operate efficiently under desert conditions. Third, this large-scale PV system operates as a grid-connected power plant supplying clean electricity to the national grid. Not only that, it also using AI power robots for cleaning solar panels in an emerging technology that enhance the efficiency of solar power system by automating the cleaning process. Next, we go to the working principle of the Noor Abu Dhabi Solar PV plant. First, the Noor Abu Dhabi Solar PV plant operates based on the photovoltaic effect, where the solar panel converts sunlight directly into electricity. Next, each panel contains semiconductor material, typically using a silicon, that releases electron when exposed to sunlight, generate a direct current, which is DC. This DC power is then converted into the alternating current AC using inverter, allowing electricity to be supplied to national grid.
Now, today we talk about the community and the society impact. So, in total, have 6 community and society impact. The first is environmental, energy security, economic and employment, societal image, policy and strategy, and the last is education and outreach. So, each category describes a different type of impact, which we will explore in more detail on the next slide. So the first category is environmental. Environmental is a relocation of dog lizards. Approximately around 150 endangered spiny-tailed dog lizards were safely relocated by Environment Agency Abu Dhabi before the construction. Second is the carbon dioxide emission reduction. The plant reduced approximately around 1 million metric tons of carbon dioxide per year, helping to improve air quality and lower greenhouse gas emission. For the second category is an energy security, which is a clean power supply with a capacity of 1.117 GW and 3.2 million panels. Noor Abu Dhabi provide clean electricity to about 90,000 households. For the third is economy and employment, job creation and investment. The project employed a multinational workforce of 2,900 people during a peak construction and stimulating local employment and investment. For the fourth category is a societal image. It's a national pride and global reputation. As the world's largest single-site solar plant, it enhanced Abu Dhabi's position in global renewable leadership. For the fifth is the policy and strategy. It's Noor Abu Dhabi Solar PV Plant alignment with UAE 2050 goals directly supports to UAE Energy Strategy 2050 to reach 50% clean energy share and reduce power sector emission by 70% by 2050. And the last category is the education and outreach. It's raising awareness and STEM interest, function as a demonstration of solar PV technology, boosting public knowledge and encouraging youth to pursue STEM and sustainability initiatives. Thank you.
What is technical operation? So first, energy generation process. Solar collection, 3.3 million monochrome daily. Panel absorb sunlight throughout the day. Panel are tight 5 degree, facing east and west for optimal coverage. Electricity conversion, panel generate direct current DC. 828 inverter convert DC to alternative current AC for grid use. Transmission, voltage is step up from 3 kV to 220 kV using 500 MVA transformer. Power is transmitted to the transco grid via 220 kV cable. And then output component and performance. Component solar panel 3.3 million. Cleaning robot 1,430 waterless cleaning panel twice a day. Inverter 828 DC to AC conversion. Substation 33 kV switchgear and MVA transformer. SCADA system monitor performance and fault in real time. Total capacity 1.17 GW. Carbon offset 7 million tons. Carbon oxygen. And then challenges and consultation. No power at night, depend on sunlight, no generation after sunset. Dust and sand, disease condition, reduce panel efficiency, mitigate by robotic cleaning. Heat effect, high temperature can slightly reduce solar panel output. No on-site storage. Energy must be used to or sent to the grid immediately. No battery storage system.
Today I want to present about environmental and ethical awareness about sustainability contribution of Noor Abu Dhabi Solar Plant. In sustainable conservation of Noor Abu Dhabi Solar Plant, we have 5 info, which is carbon emission reduction, water conservation, economic and social benefit, and global renewable energy benchmark, and innovative design. Firstly, we go to the first part, which is a significant carbon emission reduction. The Noor Abu Dhabi solar plant, with a capacity of 1.1 gigawatt, generates clean electricity sufficient to power over 900 homes, reducing carbon dioxide emission by more than 1 million metric ton annually, equivalent to removing 200,000 cars from the roads. This support the UIA Energy Strategy 2050. Aiming to increase clean energy in the total energy mix to 5% by 2050 and reduce the carbon footprint of generation by 70%. Okay, the second part is innovative design for efficiency. The plant employ an east-west orientation for its solar panel, a design that distributes energy production more evenly throughout the day and enhancing efficiency and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. The approach maximize of the use of solar irradiance, contributing to sustainable energy production. The third one is water conservation. The plants use a waterless cleaning system with over 1,400 robotic cleaner that travel 800 to 1,500 km daily to maintain 3.2 to 3.3 million solar panel. This dry cleaning technology addresses the UIA water scarcity, ensuring sustainability by avoiding water use in an arid region. Okay, the second last is economic and social benefit. Okay, by alleging the UIA sustainability agenda, the plan foster economic diversification, attract investment, and creates jobs in the renewable energy sector, reinforcing to UIA position as a global hub for clean energy technologies. The last part is a global benchmark for renewable energy. As one of the world's largest single-site solar plant, Noor Abu Dhabi set a precedent for large-scale renewable energy project, demonstrating scalable and cost-effective clean energy solution, evidenced by its record-breaking tariff of 8.8885 kilowatt in 2016. We move to part environmental and ethical awareness, which is the second point, which is ethical or environmental concern result of Noor Abu Dhabi solar plant. Okay, firstly, water resources management. The adoption of a waterless robotic cleaning system resolve the ethical and environmental concern of water use in a water scarce region. Traditional solar panel cleaning often requires significant water, which could drain local resources. The plant dry cleaning robots tailored to avoid damaging the panel, ensuring sustainable without compromising environmental constraint. Okay, the second part is land use and local impact mitigation. Okay, the plant location in Sweden was located based on 21 years of satellite data, 1999 to 2020, identifying a high radiation zone to maximize energy production. While large-scale solar project can raise concern about the land use and habitat dispersion, the strategic site selection minimize environmental impact by leveraging an area with optimal solar condition, reducing the need for extensive land modification. So we move to the next part is a health and safety standard. The project prioritized ethical labor practice, achieving 404,835 man-hour without lost time injuries by April 2020. This commitment to worker safety addresses ethical concern about construction practice in large-scale projects, ensuring a safe working environment during the 20 months construction period. Okay, the next is the second last is a community and economic equity. Unlike some solar mega projects such as Morocco nor Khwarazm, which face criticism for land grabs and unfulfilled jobs promise, Noor Abu Dhabi development under a public-private partnership with Taka Marubeni Genco Solar, focus on local energy supply, powering 66,000 to 19,000 households. This avoid ethical concern about exporting energy at the expense of local community, as seen in other regional projects. Last part is addressing dust and maintenance challenge. The arid environment poses challenge like dust accumulation, which typically require data-intensive cleaning. The waterless robotic system not only conserves water but also maintain high efficiency, which is 93% energy ability, resolving energy concern about operators.
In conclusion, Noor Abu Dhabi solar PV plants demonstrates the viability of large-scale solar energy as a sustainable power source. Capacity of a 1.2 gigawatt and millions of solar panels, it plays a crucial role in reducing carbon emission and meeting clean energy targets. The project supports the UAE's long-term energy strategy and serves as a global model for renewable energy development. It proved that innovation in solar technology can drive both environmental protection and energy security.